welcome back to the Unsalted Kitchen. Today I'm going to make easy and simple recipe with only 7 ingredients, Challah loaf bread. So let me show you how. See you in a bit. In a large bowl, dissolve yeast and 1 tablespoon sugar in 1.5 cups lukewarm water. Set it aside for 5 to 7 minutes. In another large bowl, measure 5 cups of flour. Add half cup of sugar into a bowl of flour and give a little whisk to mix. Break 3 eggs into another separate bowl. Measure a 1/3 cup of coconut oil, pour it into eggs and whisk until well combined. And here we have all the ingredients we need, except the salt. I have flour and sugar, yeast, water, and sugar mixtures, coconut oil, and eggs mixtures. Let's get baking, folks. In a bread mixer, add the eggs and coconut mixtures. Pour in yeast mixtures followed with the dry ingredients. Turn the pulse on for a few seconds just to give a head start to mix the liquid and dry ingredients from the bottom of the mixer. Then turn to the setting number 3 on and let the mixer do the work. Do this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, transfer the dough into a slightly greased bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place for an hour or until almost doubled in size. If the weather is cooler in your country, like up North America or you live in Europe, dough may also rise in an oven that has been warmed to 150 degrees. Then turn it off. Once dough has doubled in size, punch or poke to deflate the dough and transfer it onto floured surface. Shape dough into round shape, divide it into half, cover the other half to prevent from drying, and work with the first half by dividing it into 3 equal balls. Flatten each dough, fold it 3 times, and place it inside prepared loaf pan. Then cover it with cling wrap again or a damp towel and place it again in a warm place or inside the warm oven. By the way, did you know that the word challah originally meant only the small portion of dough that was put in the oven when baking bread as a reminder of the destruction of the temple in Jerusalem? It has evolved into the twisted, sweet, almost brioche-like bread that was brought to America by immigrants from Central and Eastern Europe. At its roots, challah is a very straightforward bread to make. The dough is enriched with eggs and oil, while a few tablespoons of sugar add some sweetness. It doesn't require any fussy techniques and can be made from start to finish in the space of an afternoon. On the other half of dough, divide it into 3 again. This is the part where I'm going to show you on how to do a simple braid, because the real magic comes in braiding the loaf. I promise you that even a simple 3-stranded braid is impressive that will bring the house down. Shape dough pieces into long strands, pinch the ends together and cross the left strand over the middle strand. Then cross the right strand over what's now the middle strand. Repeat until you reach the end of the dough, then twist the ends together and pinch. Transfer braided dough onto baking sheet with parchment paper, cover it with cling wrap, place it in a warm place and let it rise for an hour or until doubled in volume. 10 minutes before an hour, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, to prepare the egg wash for brushing, beat an egg in a small bowl, add some sesame seed in it if desired. Gently brush the bread with egg wash and sprinkle some more sesame seeds. Okay, maybe tons of sesame seeds over it, just because I love sesame seeds. Who doesn't, right? Then bake this delicious challah bread for 20 minutes. After baking and wanted to freeze the bread, place your cold challah directly in heavy-duty, large-size, thick freezer bags. Remove the air from the bag and seal the bag with tape before storing it in a good place deep freezer. When well wrapped in airtight freezer bags and placed in a good freezer, challahs can last for 2 months or more if necessary. To defrost, remove challah bread from the freezer about 5 hours before they will be served and let them come to room temperatures. Or heat up your oven for 20 minutes, turn it off, and place the challahs wrapped in aluminum foil inside the oven until serving. Using aluminum foil in this step is important to prevent the bread's crust from hardening or browning slightly. Ooh, would you look at those gorgeous challah bread with its rich, slightly sweet flavor, shiny golden crust, and pillowy interior. Just so you know, challah bread isn't just for the Jewish holidays, okay? It appeals to everyone, anytime. Let the challah cool until just barely warm and serve. Enjoy! Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen channel once again. If you like this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Also, I would love to read your comment, so please tell me of what you think about this video. See you later, folks. Bye for now. Until next time.